The diagram shows the curve with the equation y is equal to f of x. Sketch the gradient function y is equal to f dash of x. Here the diagram is given y is equal to f of x. Now here we know this point is the turning point, and here one point is there. This point is the point of inflection. Then first we can check these two turning point. We know the value of f dash of x is 0, and the point of inflection also the value of f dash of x is 0. So first we can mark that point. Here is the graph. Here we can mark these 2 points. First we can the corresponding to check the point. We can draw one line, straight line, to mark that 2 points. Okay. Here f dash of x is 0. Here also f dash of x is 0. Then first we can check that this turning point left hand side, the values of f dash of x is positive or negative. Here you can check the value left hand side, all values are negative, because you can check the function values are decreasing. Or we can check, if you draw here tangent, then we can see that all tangents are point to downwards, or the value of the gradient of the tangent is negative. That means here we will get all gradients are negative. Then this point, at this point is the turning point. Here gradient is 0. The right side of this gradient, we can see that function values are increasing. That means the gradient is positive. Then the point of inflection, the gradient is 0. Then again the gradients are all these points. We can see the gradient positive. Then we can sketch the curve. First check this point here 0. We already marked here point 0. Then left side of this point all values are negative. That means we can mark like this. Then right side of this point all values are positive. Positive means it will come here. Okay. Then next, the same way here, this at this point we know the value of f dash of x is 0. Then left hand side the values of f dash of x, all values are positive. That means all values are positive means here it will come. Okay. Then right hand side all values of, again right hand side all values of f dash of x also positive. That means here this point becomes a touching point, or this curve f dash of x case, this point is the turning point. Now we can sketch the curve of f dash of x like this. Is the sketch of y is equal to f dash of x. Thank you.